Today we're going to talk about our VPPMs and our Festo manifold up top here. So we're referring to these four modules here on the end. They are pressure regulators that we can send specific PSIs to certain components on the machine. So a lot of them are pinch valves along the back here, our big pinch valve for the CO2 to the tank, also our pump down below. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a troubleshooting step of swapping VPPMs to see if we have a bad one. Reasons that you would do this: if you're seeing your pump might be acting weird, or maybe your fill throttle, your fills are just all over the place, we might have a bad VPPM. So a way we can check that is we can swap it with another one and see if our problem moves to a different component of the machine. So using a number 3 Allen wrench, we're going to remove the 2 bolts here. We want to make sure to turn off the air to the machine before we do this. We can do it while we're running and while it's still powered on. Just shut the air off. We'll back out our bolts here, and then we're going to basically unplug this module from the back. Now it's really important we have this rubber gasket in here. Sometimes that will fall out. We want to make sure that we always keep one in there. Now remember, whenever we're troubleshooting, the key is to try and make the problem move from one spot to another so that we can find the specific component that's bad. If we can get it to move, then we can find it a lot easier.